Mwanjumuliri on Ndizi TV nande nigo charagire Chinsa Isano Ibere kirangu kware na semesa ya Amayia ende umanye ngaki hage ngakenya reka watika kuruchingongo inye jenzi ya nyimo jasugusu amo na bosonguru kuboli kwana irabono libagari ya benora amanya ngaki anyareka watika kuruchingongo chinye na gotebiri ekerense ya Kenya gendete gutwara mangana ao annekero abara ikuru asomo was miura umoja wa Kenya bagendete kumujumura ibwenzi Dr. William Ruto annakiranya rakawate abuna omo nogeli ose anyandika wate abuna munyakiro bubwe kiombe kerige bacholia moneji mbebe IBC wafara jepkati nigo arinki koja wojererwa achinga kyatara le machibu yabachore bonne bwerete bu mwaka ulie kwa kwana nigo bana banyade bakuboluna murai bwense ategwe swanani na mangana yechikura chieta osadi weswana ne kiombe kerike bacholia mo nechimba yuna ya kwanwa na mata karwa oyibali getiekero no murai bo mubwasimi uro moja Raila Odinga yuna haragendete asensi to Kenya ekero Senate yanyarake kuira ndebi karo bya yebene liko kwanira naki aba commissioner ba gochorwa cyase kiombe kyo bachoria monechimbe IBC ekero monyakero wekiombe kyo fura jebukati amo nabande ba okora entunde yabo yokobo bisi ase ekiombe kyo ayungati yali amanga ndo kurakana ime yensi to ya Kenya Joshua Auta nigara sensemeri umuntu bimanyerero ekero abgairi nyanchama hakwene kuna mali wine chibichago chira senjera ya bene iriane Brighton Makori. Abaremi bekemeri yeka wani gobono bagendere konyora engeri yabo hanene chibes chiribanyare de bakorera uburemi bwabo si mwaka w'igirubere meronke bere nebere ekraba pimete ikawa yabo asensemeri yanyatiego Coffee Cooperative Center asebono abaremi abanyare bakoboria serikali bunengeri bakonyora sekemeri ekinigere nkemono asebabode na netakere kommentwa ina barabanyare bakogenda no buremi bw'ikawa.
serikali tigeregereria kamenta asenye ito musongo gareta mahakurere ono rojo karo kwagorera kwanyore chunji goisa ono tubata abana siku tubata abana bari college ono chikoisana na nyumba matumisi na bokonyora bone byokonyatire goisa
nani ona ariko basaba abantu baruto ikawa yabere rigori bono yero nyarwasa yuya bugere buya agera mole atatu bapimere tubaletera ikawa tibese buya na baletera
Ebunge Senate nigori tkoria lero ya chake bikaro bya yanene kurigereria igoro yeri chiko rirengete gochiko bachora ba commissioner bari bawuchiko ira mabaga ase kyombekeri kyo bachoria monechimibe IBC abarai aho osaba senata nigo bakerana sige karekyo karekyo nyaragi korangiriwa no monogeri bwe Senate Amazon King asebona ba senata aho abanyadire bakuru birengere bya bigoro yogonjeri kweli jikerio ryanyarithiri gweta kurwa samagajo yebungenene asebono batagete kurigeri gose na bari gochiko gendera gwetiwa buna ebungenene yeteti gose litakero korwa monjerio magega litaretiwa.
The bill before us is extremely important, and I know each and every one of us would wish to contribute to this bill. If we allow the 20 minutes per senator, most of you will not have an opportunity to speak to this bill. And therefore, by consensus, I think we should agree that we proceed at least to allocate 4 minutes.
Second time you are recalling us for a special sitting, and as the public can see, we are here in full numbers. This is serious commitment. Number two, the National Assembly, they have risen to that maturity, Mr. Speaker, by unanimously agreeing to move that this bill that is before us passes without amendments. Mr. Speaker, that the leader of the majority is asking us to pass this bill without amendments, it is the maturity that the country needs. We cannot be divided on everything, including the important things and the small things and the big things. We must demonstrate national leadership by agreeing on the things that require.
Azijinga geje jomo senata we county ya Nairobi Edwin Sifuna nera ni garure birengereri vya yegoro yeri jikeri osamunjiro lyayo asebega boli abasenata ba abange gosaba senata bebunge yo kuligereri jikeri nyuma litara etuwa erinde lichikokonya ojasa matuko halibosyo.
Trying to say, Mr. Speaker, is that for us as political players, and especially the political parties, I would be very, very hesitant to limit the number of slots that are allocated to the political players in this particular bill. Mr. Speaker, my biggest concern, I know the majority leader raised concern about the question of LSK. Many of these institutions interact with the law in their daily operations. My colleagues who are with us in the Mwangaza impeachment committee will bear me witness that they saw benefit of having at least one lawyer in that particular committee. There is some value that we bring, especially when the team and the institution has to interact with the law.
Aba bisa kurwa se kiombe kyo kurwa ni mangana yobo kurumia mo na kubeka chimba chingi ya EACC ni go bagendere kubaterana ne university kurwa sorgongo rwa nyanse liko kwanira igoro yo kurwa ni ese yobo kurumia sense ya Kenya. Waigo ni wateruna basa abange baise gutwara chimbwa ne kitabi chingi ya nigera na kibunobo kurumimbo chukurwa ni gwa samatuko alebosi ni go baya kwanetaya ase county ya Homa Bay.
Vincent Okongo, Director of Preventive Services of the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission. We are delighted to be here in Homa Bay County today to participate in the first regional conference for South Nyanza and Greater Nyanza region for universities on integrity clubs. As you are aware, the industry gets its professionals from universities, and professionals are seriously engaged in corruption. So the EACC is proud to be part of a process to nurture young professionals in universities, to be people of integrity, whether they are engineers, whether they are accountants, whether they are lawyers, to people who can lead this country to greater heights. The survey that was conducted by EACC and released in December last year indicated that the challenge of corruption is still there among professionals, and even universities face a similar challenge. So our role here is to remind students and the leaders in the various institutions of learning that they need to entrench integrity and promote values that will last long in our society. The integrity clubs is a long-term policy of the Commission engineered towards a value-driven society and ensuring that we create men and women of integrity who can take the mantle of leadership of this country in the future.
Abantu babiri nigo basije bugima somo bagabwe county ya West Pokot Monelgo Marakwet asobosagani banyarete boko korwa na abayibetuko az ensemeyo niko bono abarai na bamekuru asensemeyi banyarire bakoboria serikali ya Kenya kwanza kweneki bonangotingi barobore ndi asensemeyi kera bantabange batwalero boba asensemeyi no enekera bakogenda asegasi yabo yakera letko.
This morning it was very unfortunate, and it was a bad thing that people who are going about their normal daily activities were just killed like that. There is tension now both sides, because now people are wondering now what they are going to do. Somebody is already dead, another one injured and is now in hospital in very critical condition, and all in the name of government is arming a community to kill us. So the situation is not very good as we speak now, because there is tension, and the people are now wondering on what next course of action to take in a way of defending themselves as well as defending their property. So I want to tell government, and the government in this case now is the CS for Interior. We have been in your office as leaders from West Pokot. We have shared information with you. We have also told you, you must be careful lest you get misled by a few people for their own selfish interests, who will mislead you into thinking that one community are the aggressors, and therefore you will want to say it is better to leave them and arm another community at the expense of the others. That will be bad, and it will not give us the desired results. I want to say
Omugavana bwe county ya Kilifi Gideon Mung'aro nigo bono anyarire kora omuroberio obokwenana endagera yobokonyi gojasa bamenyi bensemo ya Karoleni asibona anyarire kawate abunene erenjere yamo yogosira bamenyi bensemo ibare batabwati gosibari bakuri n'umuchando bwinjara boigo ne serikali negendete kubeka imiroberio kwene kibuna abamenyi abukonyora bare amaji
ya maji. Nafikiri Nanu amesema kuna ploti hapo, chifu amesema pale Mnazi Mwenga. Kwa hivyo nitamuuliza pia waziri wetu wa kilimo, kwa sababu hako na ile tingatinga ya kuchimba, aje angalie hapo. Lakini nimeona suluhu kubwa. Mabawa mengi yalichimbwa kwa hii county hayakuwekwa yale plastic ya kuzuia maji. Kwa hivyo wale mabawa atakuwa tukijenga sasa atakuwa na mambo ya kuzuia maji, ili tusichimbe mabawa ambayo hayaweki maji. Itakuwa ni kupoteza pesa za wananchi wa Kilifi. Kwa hivyo kila bawa likichimbwa litawekwa ile plastic ya kuzuia maji, ili maji yakiingia watu watumie. Sigangire siku mbili gaza ngira misangani gosi. Kwa utabadilisha mtindo wa kuchimba mabawa. Najua kwamba kuna matatizo hapa Mwanamwinga. Mambo ya chakula, mambo ya maji, lakini kama alivyosema MCA
bono abanyanyi mboni go bacha kirobo tukiri kwene kinangikerete emebe ungikerete ogosira ko bogima bw'abantu babere asensemo yedamu ya chuja yani gagoja magiga yemebere y'abantu babere yanyarage korusigwa sedamu ya chuja akabatekana negari yabo kugwa aburitko rigoro kurengana na Samueli kahura oyuro mobisa asobokonyi chinga kichime basukano nigene kiremebere yukorusigwa ase enseme ibego nigateberuna serikali netakere kobeke mirubiri ya bene na kobeko borendi asejindoje erigotanga ebikole buna ebyo.
Jana tuliambiwa ya kwamba kuna gari tumbukia kwa hii dam inaitwa Titanic hapa Murera. Tuliweza kuja na tukatoa mwili wa msichana mmoja. Halafu leo tumerudi na tumetoa mwili wa mvulana. Kutoka hapo tumeng'ang'ana na tukaweza kutoa gari ambayo ilikuwa huko ndani katikati ya dam. Ndio. Ile changamoto ilikuwa ni kwamba gari ilikuwa huko katikati ya dam, mahali very deep, lakini kwa sababu tuko na wapiga mbizi divers waliweza kwenda huko wakiwa wamebebea hewa oxygen, wakaweza kufunga gari na tumeweza tukisaidiwa na private breakdown tumeweza kutoa hiyo gari kwa dam. Tunaomba security kwa mahali kuna open waters, dams, rivers ambapo watu wanaenda sana, kuwe na security ya kutosha. Ndio tuzuie maafa zaidi ambayo yanatokana na watu kuzama.
Haibano na roto akwarendia se jinse Isano na Ibere kyabano basokole ndenyora nage koraga Chinsa komichabano marababa lojiko nyora yomo na mange banende wateka kuruchingongo inye Chinsa nande bana bali kibeito bagenda ko sangere na kwariganeria igotoske ne Rondis TV obwansu bomagusi oyorenga sense meri yomunwe monyererio nigakoro kwa Auta ekera bugahiri nyanja mahene kiuna agochira senjera ya bene gwetera se njira ye kamera na kwene kuna maliogi ne chibicha ntanyaraga guchiroberi bya kabisa na njeriane Brighton Makori.